A building surveyor in Rohini plays a crucial role in the construction industry. Rohini, being a rapidly growing area in Delhi, requires efficient and competent professionals to ensure that buildings are constructed according to the necessary regulations and standards. A building surveyor in Rohini is responsible for conducting thorough inspections of buildings at various stages of construction to ensure compliance with safety codes, structural integrity, and adherence to architectural plans. They also assess the quality of materials used and monitor the workmanship of contractors and builders. Building surveyors in Rohini are highly knowledgeable about building regulations, codes, and standards, and they play a vital role in ensuring the safety and quality of buildings in the area. In addition to their role in inspections and compliance, building surveyors in Rohini also provide valuable input during the design phase of construction projects. SCON design is an important aspect of any building project, as it involves creating aesthetically pleasing and functional spaces within a building. Building surveyors in Rohini work closely with architects and designers to ensure that the SCON design aligns with the overall vision of the project while adhering to safety and regulatory requirements. They provide expertise on aspects such as lighting, ventilation, acoustics, and accessibility, ensuring that the SCON design not only looks good but also enhances the usability and comfort of the building. When it comes to building surveyors in Rohini, it is essential to choose professionals who have extensive experience and expertise in the field. Hiring a reputable building surveyor in Rohini can help prevent costly errors and delays during the construction process. These professionals bring a wealth of knowledge and understanding of local regulations and codes, ensuring that all aspects of the building project meet the necessary standards. In Rohini, a building surveyor is essential to the construction sector. In order to ensure that structures are created in accordance with the relevant norms and standards, Rohini, a region of Delhi that is continuously expanding, needs specialists who are effective and knowledgeable. Building surveyors in Rohini are in charge of doing detailed inspections of structures at different phases of construction to verify conformity to safety regulations, structural integrity, and architectural plans. Additionally, they evaluate the caliber of the materials employed and keep an eye on the builders' and contractors' work. Construction surveyors in Rohini are quite informed about construction laws, rules, and standards, and they are essential to ensure the security and caliber of structures there. In addition to their function in compliance and inspections, a building surveyor is essential to the Rohini construction sector. In order to ensure that structures are created in accordance with the relevant norms and standards, Rohini, a fast-developing